Hey y'all, it's Crystal of MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to make a balsamic strawberry BLT. Yeah, you heard me right, a balsamic strawberry BLT, but there's no tomato. There is strawberry, balsamic, lettuce, bacon. It's so delicious, you guys. And the recipe credit is not going to me. It goes to Jeff Mauro from The Kitchen on Food Network because he made it on that show and it got my attention. It actually, when he was making the recipe, I paid never mind to it. And then his wife came on camera and took a couple bites. And her reaction, it sold me. I had to try it too. And I'm glad I did. It's so good. Let me show you how to make it. So I'm going to start off by making the balsamic black pepper mayonnaise. In my bowl, I have a cup of mayonnaise. To that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of balsamic glaze. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of chopped fresh basil. And about a teaspoon of black pepper. And a little bit of salt to taste. And I'm just going to mix that up. So I've got my mayonnaise that I just made. And I am going to smear it on some honey oat bread. So I've got a good layer of that spread on my bread. I'm going to take some fresh strawberries that are nice and thinly sliced, and I'm going to lay them on top of the black pepper balsamic mayonnaise smeared bread. Now I'm going to top one side of the strawberries with some shredded iceberg lettuce. And now on top of this, I'm going to put 3 slices of bacon that have been cooked to a crisp. And I cook these in the oven on 375 degrees for about 10 minutes on each side on some parchment paper. And I'm going to top a sandwich just like that. Yum, you guys. That's so good. If you like this recipe, then check out my blog, MrsHappyHomemaker.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube as Mrs. Happy Homemaker. And I'm that housewife on Twitter because Mrs. Happy Homemaker, well, it just wouldn't fit. Now I'm going to finish my sandwich and this half too. Bye, y'all.